Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change directories on Linux. So first of all, to do it we have to open our terminal, so we will go to show apps and terminal. And what command I will be using? The command that we will be using is a cd command. But the command cd without any value basically do nothing. So we have to add something to it. What we are doing, we can list our the place we were, and as you can see, we can use our cd command, for example, with a folder downloads. So we can move to this folder by typing it like this. So cd downloads, and we will press enter. As you can see, now we are in the downloads directory. We can also use it to move to the completely different place. So for example, we can do it by pressing typing in cd, for example, /etc/ netplan. I think that should work. Yes, as you can see, it's working. And now, how to go back? We can go back by typing in cd minus. If we will type in cd minus, it will go back basically to the place that we were before. So we were before in the download section. So we went back to the download section, and if we type it in again, we were in the netplan. So right now we are in the netplan, and that's basically how it works. And now we can use another option, that is double dot. So we can move again to the /etc/ netplan, and if we will use double dot, it will move us to the folder before, to the directory before. So if we're in the netplan, that will move us to the etc directory. So as you can see, now we are in the etc, and that's basically we can do it again by go back again by doing cd minus. Now we are in the netplan. Now we can move to the, again maybe, or no, maybe I will show you how to go basically straight to the home directory, so to the place where we were at the beginning. So we can do it by basically typing in something like this, because we have something like this here, and now by typing it we will go back straight to the home directory. Basically that's all the options that I wanted to show you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.